Hey guys, hope you're all having a great day. So today's actually a really exciting day for me and also for my mom because we are going to the Newport Flower Show in Newport, Rhode Island. It's only about maybe a half hour, 40 minutes away from where we live. We're a little bit further upstate, and this is apparently a really big thing that goes on every year that I just had no idea about until probably last year. But it was too late at that point, especially stuff with COVID and everything. Things were still up in the air. But this year, it is absolutely a go. And I'm extremely excited for what we're going to see today. I don't know exactly what there is to see, but we just have the general tickets to go into the Newport Flower Show, and I just kind of want to take you guys along and show you what I can